Here's what we have set up. 120, 117 AC coming in. Transformers, a 15B American Flyer. It's like a 200 watt, 15, 17 volts. I've got a meter on the track. I'm taking this to the track. So I got a meter on the track. I'm also transferring power from the track into a rectifier. This is a 308G. It's a 3 amp rectifier. I'm jumping that into my inputs on a buck boost board, and I've got the output dialed in at 15 volts, which I display here, and red says we got power coming in from the AC side. So I'm going to turn on the transformer. Green light means nothing's going on, it can operate. So I put this lever down. I'm on the variable side of the transformer. We may want to run on the fixed side, usually for accessories. I'm not sure yet. In any case, so I apply the power. We're getting to about 5 volts there, 4.8. Out here we're getting 14.9. That's the boost part. The indicator light is barely on. I start cranking it up. I go to, it says 30 miles an hour. It's about 8.5 volts. You can see that. And we're still at 14.9. Red light's a little brighter. I go up to 60. Now we're looking at 11.6 volts, a little over 10. And we're still at 14.9. I go to 90. Now we're at 14 volts. 14 volts up there. And now we're at 15 volts. 14.9, 15. It's right on that point. Now I'm going to go full throttle all the way out. 16.8 volts. That's all we have. That's the most. 15 volts coming out of the boost buckboard. So through these two leads coming down, we're going to be pretty consistent with our power to the board. I'm feeling comfortable that we've got that figured out. I didn't hook up the amps because I don't have enough power to run that at this point. No, there's no current flow, so very little. Okay, that's the setup. Now I'm going to get the board. One thing I have to do is set up my laptop, so I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to put the board in. Then I'm going to put in a dummy load, maybe a motor, something else. I got a motor sitting here. I may just use that, and just make sure I've got something going on. But that's where we are. And 4:30, I'm good for another hour, so who knows, you might see something here later.